Hello children, welcome to English class. Children, we are in block 21, solving a riddle. Okay children, lesson number 4, words with OY and OI. Keywords are voice, boy, joy, oil, spoil, foil, soil, coins, boil, toil. Yes children, today we are learning words with OY and OI. Children, OY and OI sounds same children, okay? All the keywords if you see, the words are having the letters OI and OY. Okay children? The sound of OY and OI is same. Oi, oi. Okay. Till here clear children? Now we are learning words with OY and OI children. When two letters, two vowel comes together, what we will say children? We will say it as vowel team. Okay children? Vowel team we will say. Okay. O and I. These two letters are vowels. Yes children? When they comes together, they will make only one sound. So we call it as vowel team. O and Y. Yes, O is a vowel. You all know that. But children, the letter Y is sometimes a part of a vowel team. Okay children, this is also called a vowel team. Sometimes. Fine. The letters OI come in the middle and beginning of words. And OY come at the end. Letter Y likes to be at the end of words, but the letter I doesn't. Yes children, if you see here, O and I are coming in the middle. Okay, but letter Y is coming in the end. Okay children, till here clear? Yes children, now here a small story is given. We have to underline the words with OI and OY children. Okay, first I will read the story for you. And after that we will underline the words with OI and OY. Fine. I heard the voice of a boy. He screamed with joy because he found some coins in a foil. Soon his fun was spoiled because his foil fell into the soil. He lost all his coins. Children, this is a story of a little boy. Okay, he found some coins in a foil children. So he was very happy, but afterwards what happened? His foil fell into the soil and he lost all his coins. That is the story. Now let us see where are OI and OY words. Okay children, here you can see, underline it, and then yes, here also one word, voice, boy. Then in the next line, yes, joy. Okay. Coins. Foil. Spoiled. Foil. Soil. Coins. Okay children. So what are the words? Voice, boy, joy, coins, foil, spoiled, foil, soil, coins. All these words we have underlined because these words are having the letters OY and OI. Yes children. Now we have to write. I'll make a two columns here children. Okay. So in the first column we will write OI words and in the next column we will write OY words. Fine children. So voice will come here. VOICE, voice. And there boy will come. BOY, boy. Next, joy will come here. JOY, joy. Okay, children? And then coins. OI I am writing in one column. OY words I am writing in the other column. Yes, next, foil. FOIL, foil. Then spoiled. SPOILED, spoiled. Then we have foil and then soil. SOIL. coins already written. So we are in this story we are having OI words, voice, coins, foil, spoiled, soil. OY words, BOY, boy, joy. Till here clear, children? Yes, children. Some more words we can write with the letters OI, children. Yes, we can write. Yes. Yes, you can write. Joint, Joint. Joint you can write. Point, Point. Point you can write, children. And then noise, Noise. Noise. What are the other words? Join, choice. Okay, there are so many words you can write. And with OY, children, yes, you can write here TOY, toy. Yes, children. Enjoy, ENJOY, enjoy. Fine. So these are the words with OI and OY. Yes, children, now all of you all open your workbook, children, page number 28. Okay, write the date here, children. S4, words with OY and OI. Read the story, underline the words that have the same vowel sound as in the words joy or coin. Yes, children, now this paragraph you have to read and you have to underline the words same sound, vowel sound as joy and coin. Just now I have shown you on the board, children. Like that only you have to do. This is homework for you. Okay, children, this one you do as your homework. Very easy, children. I have shown you on the board. Just you have to see these words and you have to underline. OY, words with OY and OI. Okay, children. Now let us come to bit number 2, children. Okay, fine. Yes. What is bit number 2? Fill in the blanks with the letters OI or OY. Okay, children. B dash, F dash, L, J dash, B dash, L, T dash, C dash, N. So here first one is BOY, boy. FOIL, foil. JOY, joy. BOIL, boy, boil. Sorry, children, boil. TOY, toy. COIN, coin. Yes, children, now let us see bit number 3. Yes, children, make new words with OI and OY. Yes, children, on the board I have shown you 2-3 new words with OI and OY. So let us write here joint. Okay, JOINT, joint. And then we can write enjoy. Okay, ENJOY, enjoy. Now make sentences with the following words. Okay, enjoy and choice we have to make sentences, children. Okay, so we will write here enjoy. I enjoy studying with my friends. I enjoy studying with my friends. You have to underline the word enjoy. Choice. My M-Y, my mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. My mother told me to make a choice. CHOICE, choice between, BETWEEN, between playing, PLAYING, playing football, my mother told me to make a choice between playing football. Okay, children. watching TV. Yes, children. Here word choice you have to underline. Write your workbook neatly, children. Yes, children, all of you all take out your reader, children, page number 132, block 21, solving a riddle. Children, here practice questions are given. First one, underline the words with the same vowel sound as in the word point. Here some words are given, so you have to underline vowel sound which is having in the word point. O-I. Okay, children? Point, oint. Okay. So here words are given. Underline this in the reader only. Second bit. Make sentences with the words boys, soil, point, voice, coin. Underline the letters that make the vowel sound. Okay, children? So you have to make sentences with these words. Okay, don't write in your notebook, children. Write this in your rough book. Okay. Third bit is solve the riddle. You have to read this and solve it. Write the answer here. Okay. Now let us come to the fourth bit. Answer the questions from the poem. Children, for this you have to read the poem. Where do snakes live? Which body part do snakes use to smell? Third one, how many ears do snakes have? Okay. And then come to question number 5. Fill in the blanks. I live in the jungle. This is poem, children, with some words missing. Those missing words you have to fill in the blanks. Okay, children, here blanks are given. Read the poem, you will get the answers. For answers. Okay, children? Fine? Yeah. 1 to 5 questions I am giving you as homework. You all should do the homework. Okay? Yes, children, write neatly. Okay? And yes, children, you will be having slip test of all subjects. Okay? Slip test will be there on 16th and 17th February, children. For English, your portion will be block 14, 19 and 20. Prepare well for the slip test, children. Okay? For all subjects. Thank you, children. Meet you in next class.